SMCI stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I am the only person in the stock trading space that has done well over 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything. It's all on my YouTube channel. And my most recent prediction that I got was 23rd of July when I cut it out pre-market. And since then it's been pumping. Unfortunately, just never was able to get involved. And look, I'll be like very real with you. This was made 23rd of July, 3:58 p.m. AM, right? Pre-market that is, and the price already is doing its thing. Like, it was 49 bucks at the time, and now it's 52. I just hope I see the price deliver to the highs. I mean, it's been just straight up longs here. Really all began right here, 33 bucks, and then it's been pumping. I quite like it. Like before that, I got a break even, and I'll obviously continue to keep you updated. Please do your own due diligence, but if my rules are not met, I just don't quite frankly care. And see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. And if you want free sauce, here's the first link in the description.